What's up, y'all? Welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Y'all see Unice gave me this wig, and y'all can see it is already pre-curl, and it is a 7x5. Okay, HD lace pre-cut, and it also has the drawstring in there, y'all. So y'all know this about to be a quick, pretty, and simple install. But honestly, even though it is like already styled, I think I want to give it a little extra, little something. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, I am going to go ahead and take my foundation. So I'm using my Ruby Kisses level 15, and I'm going to open it and apply both shades into the inside of my lace. And because this wig is a glueless wig, I will be taking it out with some holding spray, and that's how we're gonna secure it and then get into the styling, y'all. So now that I have the wig tightened, as you can see, it is a little bit behind my hairline, y'all, but I'm not even tripping, honestly, because it's glueless. It's convenient, it's pretty. Y'all see the curls, it's fluffy, it's bouncy. I can't wait to comb them out and add layers. So I know it's still gonna be giving, so I'm not even tripping on that or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just take a little bit of holding spray and spray it on my lace. So I'm gonna take 2 pins and just kind of pin the lace back a little bit, just so I could get a clean application for my holding spray. And I may just keep it a simple bust down the middle, maybe not. I don't know, maybe I add some baby hairs, I don't know, but this wig is super pretty. So I'm just gonna go in with a little even holding spray and just spray it on across. And I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry this on both sides. So now that I have that tacked down with the even spray, I'm gonna go back in again with my Ruby Kisses, the darker shade, and just add some more foundation on there just to make sure that I don't have that little light little hue. So now that we have the wig tacked down, completely glueless, easy peasy lemon squeezy, we wanna add some style to it. Now, I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna start by taking a hot comb. Okay, so I'm gonna start by parting off a section here, like so. And I kind of combed that out a little bit. So I'm gonna end up cutting this area right here and adding some layer to it. And then I'm gonna make a little part here so this could come down. And we're just gonna make a part off right here. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick, add some wax to the back, hot comb this back as well, because I am gonna do a cute little style with this wig. So everything that I'm doing to one side, I will be doing it to the other. So you can just watch what I'm doing. And now I'm gonna secure this in with a rubber band. Not all the way down, just down far enough. So once you have it secure with the rubber band, we're just gonna take our hands and we're just gonna spread this braid out to create the butterfly effects. So now that it's done, now I'm just gonna take this area, hot comb it nice and smooth, lift this braid up, flip it over, hot comb this area underneath so that's nice and smooth as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side as well. And then I'm gonna go in, cut the layers, and do my finishing touches.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut layers in the front where this area is. And this is the hair, how it looks when it's combed out, but we're gonna add some layers in it. It came pre-curled, so I'm gonna start the layering from the bottom of my chin, and I'm just go down in a diagonal, especially because I'm gonna end up curling this part here, but I wanted to make sure I don't cut it too short. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go down in an angle, just to give the hair some type of, you know, layering in body, and just going all the way down, okay? Okay, cutesy. Then I'm gonna go in this way, pull the hair out, and just focus the layers on the bottom here. So I'm just gonna go in. Just to give it a little something. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna clip it over here, cut some layers, comb out the curls. And now that both sides are curled, I'm just gonna take my little chunky braids and spread it out again. And then I'm going to overlap them across the top, like so. And then I'm gonna add a pin. I'm gonna take some small bobby pins and add these into my butterfly braids that's going to overlap over. So this is the first one, and I'm gonna place it here. And then I'm gonna take the other braid and overlap it. And place it here. I'm gonna place a bobby pin also in the middle to secure it in place. Now I'm gonna take the rest of the braid, bring it around to the back, and I'm gonna connect that. And after you finish connecting everything, this is the finished look. So pretty. The curl is so pretty. I only have to curl like 1 or 2 pieces, 3, 4 at most. And I did a little butterfly braid going across. I have it come and connect into the back or whatever. So yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, glueless wig, pretty brown highlights, very royal. So let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. And you guys see how my hair turned out. It is super, super pretty. Once again, this wig is from Unice hair. Y'all see my butterfly braid, my little bangs. Very cutesy, very girl la la. Absolutely love it. And I love the honey brown tones on me, y'all. Like, it just makes my skin just pop. So yes, make sure you guys check out the description down below on where to get this wig, okay? See y'all later, bye.